Wonders shall never end. Una see inside this Nigeria soon. Pastors go begin to deceive Satan with their spiritual thinking. This one now one general overseer, she don't come out, they talk the unseen. And she dey warn her members and people of God, say anything wey involve draw soup una no okra ogbono. Say in fact, e no dey acceptable. Say now all these ones, now devil they use, they draw people. I can't they wonder inside which Bible they write this one. I be now God, now show this woman this kind one. I say you will be saying they chop okra, they chop all this kind draw soup. Now so devil go they draw you. They penetrate through you. So make you stop to the chop more. My people beg. They can join me watch.
Let me open your eye today now. See, hear this. You are in a spiritual church. If you like eating draw soup outside, repent from today. Draw soup is one of the soup that powers of darkness, kingdom of darkness, they easily use it to enter somebody.
So, hear you, ma.
Madam spirituality, you see, even your members they shake head. They don't even believe this lie when you tell them. Some people don't chop okra since when they born them. Still nothing happened to them. But some preachers say, I know they understand. Now God they motivate on Abina to just sleep, wake up, start to think of anything to talk. Because I know they understand the way some people they preach now. They go just they deceive people. I know be and God say, okay, come into the world and deceive. I be come into the world and preach. On a preaching now, you know they get sense. Innocent draw super. Say people they chop, nothing they happen. On a one start to they put fear inside people mind. Say hey, they chop and they demonic. I beg which kind demonic? Since why Satan start to they plant okra? Because now I don't even can they understand this whole thing. On a better face on a God, you will be saying you won't face your God. Face your God in your own way. Because me now, all these pastors, I know they believe any of them. All of them just carry spirituality for head. The one where God talk, they do. The one where God don't even talk, they don't over talker. Talk saying I waiting God talk be this. I beg on top of waiting, now because of the money I be the congregation when they collect. Now I make they do all these kind of fake things. And I dey very certain say 80% of these church people they go start to the chop okra. Now there people mumu rich. Now there na go know say people they carry this church of 18 for religion. They really carry am for head. Something will go flourish their life, they no go focus on them. But something make pastor just say okay, no chop this one, you will get billions. You go see them. They go start to the worship that thing. I sure say soon now this pastor go still talk say anybody will wear cap na sin. Now this Nigeria with all these pastors soon they go deceive everybody tire. Maybe if they don't deceive on a dupe on a finish on a eye go clear. But children of God now waiting on a pastor talk be so you will want follow am. As for me I will continue to enjoy my soup. Anyway my people now here I go end up for this place. Make una stay tuned for our next story. Wahala dey oh my people. I hear say some passengers don't begin cause commotion inside one aeroplane. Say because of what say then these people carry them go enter faulty aeroplane. Aeroplane wey be say AC no dey work, then they carry all of them go put inside. And this one no be local flight, no be our Nigerian flight now we dey talk about. This one na Turkey bound airplane. These people they travel go Turkey, I mean abroad. Only for them to come see say that they land themselves inside microwave, inside oven plane, and they carry them. These people put. My people beg, make now join me watch.
I have the right to travel.
Somebody said, I want to come down. You did not say we want to. Exactly.
Now, wow, I don't understand these people. Person don't even put cloth inside aeroplane when no be saying a down for. No be inside bus they do. So I won't go ask. I beg all these aeroplane operating on they using a head at all. How be so on I go know say this thing no good. Or I know say person don't suffer pay for plane money. Now one can carry another sufferness, come put them inside. And this flight, if say na 1 hour off for even pity and say okay, make we manage them. 7 good hours. Now these people won't stay inside this thing. Say that they fly, go somewhere. Some people they go just carry their business, they do it recklessly. I even dey surprised say this one na even foreign this. If say na Nigeria own, I sure say by now people go don talk about am, kill them. But because say na foreign one, they no wan disclose these people name. All of them they do the thing on a boarding thing. But I need to ask, this passenger sef wey enter, shey una be mumu? Or na enter plane see say aeroplane no dey work, una still carry na sef. Na desperation carry una reach, they say by force by fire una go leave Nigeria. Na make una go sit down inside here. Last I don reach that, make una go open window. As e be say the plane no fan inside, nothing dey inside. Make una go open the window if una go fit sustain am. If all of una no die, make una dey inside. And inside the video, I hear one man dey talk say he wan come down, he wan oga wetin think say you enter na okada. How you want to come down for a plane where don't they move? And I hear say before these people board them, they tell them say AC no they work. Oh. And these people still sit down and say, okay, fine and good, AC no they work, but we go stay inside. Sometimes we Nigerians now we they do ourselves. And I know say the thing they wrong, but still all of Nagara say na go enter. If so on a demand for na money for that junction, I sure say by then they play people they go find something to do. Either they carry na enter another one or they give na money back. Now because on ourselves on our sit down like Mumu saying this abroad we must travel now why they go do on like this. Anyway, my viewers, I hear this story now, so make I bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story.